banana porridge time. Coconut milk. Peel up my little banana them. And guys, please don't come for me because you don't see Grace products in this porridge, okay? I like to use ultra clean products that have no additives in it. So I peel up my bananas. Put the bananas in the coconut milk. It's also going to be a vegan banana porridge because, yeah, that's what I like. Consistency was a little thin, so I had to add another banana. That was a little better. Put a little water in the pot. Put in the blend. Put in the mixture. Stir, stir, stir. Put in the cinnamon, nutmeg because I like my porridge spicy. Yeah, me that. Vanilla, 100% vanilla, not the imitation stuff. Make it bubble. Brown sugar because I didn't have any condensed milk. And again, I said it was vegan, so. And nothing nice with porridge than water crackers. Crunch, crunch, crunch. And I ate that.